Hello, guys. Welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. Today, we're going to start with one of these boxes from Dollar Tree. It's going to be a simple DIY. We're going to take this knife and we're going to start by placing the knife right there on the side of the box. And then we're going to go ahead and cut it all the way down. And then we're going to go ahead and continue to the other side and do the same thing, cut it out like that. So it will have to be open like this. So we're just going to do the last part and just go ahead and cut it out. So after we cut out the whole thing out, it will turn out just like this one, like that. So after we cut it out like that, we're gonna take a little bit of hot glue. We're gonna put a little bit on the chocolate, and I'm gonna place it in there. These are the hard little chocolate that they have in Dollar Tree, so you just could just go ahead and buy different colors if you would like. So I'm just gonna go ahead place three in a row, one silver in the middle, and then two red on the other side. Then on the other side, you could do the same thing on chocolate, or you could do different things. You could do lollipop, whatever you guys decide to do that you want to put as a present for the other person. You're gonna go ahead and place it in here. And just to make it look super cute and make the other person feel special. So we're just gonna go ahead and continue attaching little hearts in the box just to fill out the four sides of the box like that. Then once you do that side, then just go ahead and continue and do the other sides as well. When you're placing the hot glue, just make sure to place just a tiny little bit. You don't need a lot of hot glue, and make sure you place the hot glue in the paper of the chocolate, and then just like that. Then I'm gonna take this a little bit of this paper, shredded paper like that, and I'm gonna place it in the middle, and then I'm gonna take chocolate and place it in there. Here you could put a watch, any gift that you would like to give the other person, you could place it right in here in the middle. I'm just gonna go ahead and place four chocolate like that. Then after you did that, this is the whole box is already done. So we're just gonna go ahead and close it out like that. Then just close the other part as well. Then we're gonna take the top of the box and we're gonna close it like that. Just place it on top, and it will turn out like that. But of course, we're not just gonna leave it as that. No, 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 no. We're gonna go ahead and take a floor foam and we're going to cut the floor foam just in the middle, not in the middle, like on the side, just a little piece like that because we don't want it to be very big. We need a small piece like that. So we're just gonna cut it a little bit more because I don't want it to pass the box. I want it to be smaller than the box on top. Then after that, we're just gonna take our hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue in here. Make sure to put enough hot glue so it can attach into place. Then place it in there. Hold it a little bit, you guys. The key is to hold the floor foam so it can attach. Then I'm gonna take one of this little stick. I'm gonna take this cute little teddy bear. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue in the stick like that. Then I'm gonna place it in the teddy bear. I'm gonna hold it into place like that, into air attached into the teddy bear. Then I'm just gonna put the teddy bear right in the floor foam, just like that. Then after you guys do that, this is how cute it's turning out. I love it how it's turning out. We're gonna take some red flowers. You could do different color flowers, and we're gonna put a toothpick inside, and then we're gonna place it right in the middle. So then after we place it in there, we're gonna continue placing flour like that in the other sides as well. And then we're gonna do the other side as well. Make sure in the toothpick to put a little bit of hot glue to attach the flour to the toothpick so it won't fall apart when you're placing the flour around it. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of this, like it's a cute little branch, white branches. I'm gonna place it right inside in there like that. And we're just gonna decorate it to make it look super cute. So I'm just gonna put a few little things around it like that. Like I'm gonna do more white in the other side. I'm gonna put a little bit of the gold in here just to make it super cute. I'm gonna take a chocolate and then I'm just gonna place it right in there. I'm gonna put a toothpick and place it in the middle of the teddy bear like that, you guys. It came out super cute. Then I'm gonna take this cute little chocolate silver. I'm gonna place it on the side, and I'm also going to take another one and we're gonna place it on the other side just to make it look super cute. Look how cute, you guys, this turns out. I love how this one turns out. Look how beautiful, you guys. This is a great gift that you guys can give. You can leave it as that like that, or you could just, if you decide, you could just use the cellophane paper, and we're going to just place it right there, and then place the gift right on top, and we're going to lift it up like that, and then just for this just cut out the other part in the back, and then just twist it around and attach it with tape. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and close it down like that, hold it down like that, and then go ahead and take a little piece of tape and then attach it with a tape right at the top of the paper like that. Then take a ribbon like that, and we're gonna go ahead and tie it super cute at the top. Here you can also place a cute little flower on top once you tie the little bow. It's up to you. I'm just giving you a different idea that you guys can do if you guys would like. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. I love how this turns out, you guys. I think this is so cute and so inexpensive, you guys. You're not spending a lot of money on this, and you're going to love it, and the person's who gonna you're gonna give it to is gonna love it too. So now we're just gonna take it out because I didn't show you how it turns out once you open the little box after we done. So then I'm gonna take the paper out and we're going to just go ahead and open it up, and voila, there you got your gift. I love it how this one turns out, you guys. I think this came out super cute. You could put any gifts in there. That's what makes it super great to do. Now we're gonna move into a different idea. So we're gonna place the teddy bear. We're gonna just go ahead and do it sideways. That's just place it on the side like that. Then after that, we're gonna grab this heart of chocolate, but we're also gonna place a little more chocolate around it like that. Grab a stick, put some hot glue, and attach the stick behind the heart, and then just place it right in there like that. Then go ahead, you see the little gap, just place more flour just to fill it in. I'm gonna put a little bit of more chocolate around it just to make it extra cute. I'm just gonna place it in there like that. You could just leave it as that, will be super cute. But if you want something more bigger than this one, I got you. But either way that you guys decide to do it, I think it's so pretty, it's so cute, and it's so simple to do. So now if you want a little bit extravagant, I'm gonna take one of these balloons. I'm gonna take the sticker. This one's a little bit bigger, and I use this straw from thing, straw from to drinks, and I'm gonna place it right behind it just because it's the size and the color. So I wanted to match it up. So then just go ahead and place it behind the teddy bear like that. And look how cute, you guys. You can leave it as that. Simple and easy. Now, if you want something different, I'm gonna add more chocolate to the side like that. So I'm gonna place one at the bottom part. I'm gonna place the one on top, and then I'm gonna place like a few more just around it, just to make it a little bit like cuter and to add more stuff to like that. So I'm just giving you a different idea. You guys decide which one you like out of all of them. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out simple, easy, inexpensive, and super cute. And this is DIYs that you guys can do at home. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think of all those DIYs. I'm just adding a few little cute more things that you can add an accessory just to make it super cute. Guys, comment down below and letting me know which one is your favorite out of all of them, out of all three. I think my favorite would be this one or the first one. Please comment and let me know. Which one is yours out of all of them? With that said, I just get into the other one. Now, for this one, we're gonna take one of those fishbowl glass, and we're gonna take one of this paper that they have as well as like a tissue paper for gifts. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside like that. Really simple. You don't even have to attach it. Just place it inside and hold it into place like that. Then once you do that, I'm gonna take some floral foam. I'm gonna cut it into half like that, and it's a little bit too big, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it a little bit more just to make it a smaller. Then after that, I'm gonna grab my hot glue, put enough hot glue in there like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and place it inside and then attach it to the glass. Just hold it down a little bit until it attach. Then after that, I'm gonna take this flower, take a few of these branches out, and place a red flower in there like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fold the branches at the bottom and then place it inside just to make it a little bit smaller like that. And then just go ahead, take one of these boxes of hot chocolate, put a stick, put some hot glue, and then attach it into place. And we're going to take the heart and place it right inside on the side like that. Perfect. And then I'm going to take a few chocolates and just place it around as well in there. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out simple, easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do. And it looks super cute. So why not? So another way that you guys can do it, just take the hearts out, and we're going to place the teddy bear. We place a stick in the back of the teddy bear, and then we just place it inside. This is how cute, you guys. It turns out. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like all this DIY.